Adoption of mobile and web-based applications has become widespread. These are the apps you use every day on your phone, PC, and tablet. What you don't see is the cloud infrastructure behind these apps that makes them possible. That technology, running 24/7 in data centers around the globe, has seen massive growth. To make new applications work, its creators must purchase or lease this infrastructure. It has to be actively monitored and maintained to keep your apps working, because nobody likes downtime. This means expensive contracts with AWS, Azure, Oracle, Dell, Hitachi, and many others. To be safe, companies buy extra capacity, but most of the time it's not even needed and those servers sit idle. Did you know there are nearly 2 billion PCs, mobile devices, and servers in the world are powered on? At any moment, and 30% of them are just sleeping, doing nothing at all? We call this wasted CPU power, and this is the big opportunity. The creators of your favorite applications have to set up and pay for this infrastructure, and for sheer convenience, they often turn to hosted service providers. This results in cloud pricing shock. There is currently no pay-as-you-go option with these providers, which makes them cost-prohibitive for most companies. Enter CPUcoin, a new way to offset the costs of unused capacity, or simply let you make money with your server, PC, or mobile device. We are developing a cutting-edge infrastructure as a service offering, which utilizes a new cryptocurrency, CPUcoin. We call this the Content Generation Network, or CGN. The CGN pulls together untapped global CPU resources and restructures them into a vast computing network, scalable, reliable, and available worldwide 24/7. This new CGN can deliver decentralized server applications, which we call D-services. For example, the initial D service called MediaGen has thousands of use cases for dynamic content preparation. It's easy to join the CGN with your own machines and make extra money. Or if you're a developer, you can create your own D service, launch it on our network, enabling automatic scaling and monetization, without having to deal with complex and expensive cloud services. CPUcoin is poised to revolutionize hosted server infrastructure by providing cost reduction for existing unused compute power. Anyone can be a CGN miner by simply downloading and installing our easy-to-use software and signing up with the D-Services platform. Next-generation services can be deployed as a D-service to easily scale and pay-as-you-go, dramatically reducing infrastructure costs. For more detailed information, please visit cpucoin.io.